Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Now Stock Trades. All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to do a couple things. We're going to talk about some important data for Clover Health using my premium access for LinkedIn. Talk about how I spent my April Fool's Day. You could see this. That doesn't look good. It's not a joke. I was going to make a video saying, oh, guys, I'm quitting YouTube and selling Clover. I think people would have honestly believed it. Given the recent stuff, but I was too busy taking care of this little fella here. So we'll start off, I guess, with this here. So yeah, he has a nasty ear infection, and it just got really bad. And he developed it a couple days ago, and I was supposed to go to the vet later this week, but then I called the vet this morning. I said, this guy needs to go in. And he needs to see someone now, because you're starting to see some leathering of the skin, maybe dirt, but maybe some fibrosis. I got to, there was some granulation tissue somewhere around here. So yeah, not good. And they took care of him, and this is him kind of dosed up on drugs. He's really dizzy now. This poor feller here, he was found on the street. He unfortunately, parents just abandoned him. No microchip, no nothing. So we took him in, and we took him in, and we took good care of him. And yeah, he's had some issues with his ear, but he got a dose of corticosteroids, like a shot. He got some cephalosporin pill, and I don't know this other medication. I need to look it up. But so you put it in his ear. Yeah, but he's really woozy right now. He's really dizzy. So hopefully he feels better. But anywho, that's a little update. Yeah, yeast is a bitch. And I think he said, the guy said, the doctor, the vet said there's a lot of bacteria in there. So he knows I'm talking about him. Oh, he's like really dizzy. I'm watching him now. Poor guy. No, he's a good boy. Yeah, poor baby. But yeah, no. This video just started right now. Sorry, I'm just talking about the dog immediately. It's okay. I love you, man. I love you, good boy. Yeah. So anywho, guys, dogs are the best. I mean, look at all these dogs we have. This is him being healthy. But yeah, so we also, I know this is not a dog channel, but we also found another dog on the street. Let me show you. Let me see if I can find you another dog here. Where's this other dog? Sorry, I know like this is not like a dog channel here, but I want to share with you this story. Oh my god, I found it. This is adorable. Okay, so this is a very sad story. Okay, so this dog here is a German Shepherd. If I can zoom in. So you see him? He has like two different eye colors. And this dog, his old parents are assholes. So they dumped him with his brother, or like his other significant other on the street, a husky. The husky got ran over. This was at one of the apartment complexes that Michelle, like my significant other's family, operates. And it's not in the best area, but it's a developing area. And the husky got ran over and died. I tried to rescue it, but I was on the street, and some asshole drove by who didn't run over the dog and looked at me, thought it was my dog, and said, ha ha. And I'm like, what kind of disgusting piece of shit humans are those people? And then this dog was in the corner watching, terrified. So we took him in, found him another home that has another golden, a shepherd. I don't know what kind of, like a German Shepherd. And the original owner just sent us a video update for St. Patrick's Day in kind of a Clover colors, of the dog. But yeah, and Michelle titled it here, "The Dog We Rescued." And this was sent to me on March 24th, about a couple weeks ago. I did like a week ago or something. Yeah. So, and he was sorry. I know. Yeah, my ball. I know. Like dogs. I sorry. I just wanted to do a little dog update here. I'm a big dog guy. So, yeah, and then so we're gonna do some Clover updates. I guess one last update here is this is the Global Neurosurgical Alliance. This is a nonprofit that I started. We have over 500 employees now, and we are doing really well in helping the world of doctors, training them how to do research, and to ultimately find better cures for patients out there in the world, especially in countries that are in low GDP areas. Okay, so now that we did this, now let's go ahead and go to Clover Health. So the reason why, so we're going to go ahead and talk about economic projections and yada yada yada, and then so I'm a premium. I'm part of the premium plan for LinkedIn. So yeah, premium. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like right there, premium. So I'm going to go ahead and I have some cool little insights from Clover that I just learned that I could do. All I gotta go is I go to insights. Um, Oh yeah, on April Fool's, Al will reveal himself as a hedge fund and a big shorter. Honestly, I should have done that. I'm like, guys, you got it. You guys were right. I'm a hedgy, right? I'm a hedgy. I'm a hedgy that saves dogs. Right. So okay, so as you can see, Clover had around 636 employees and now they have 596. So they've been dropping employees. So there's a 6% growth in employees, which is good. It's good for SG&A spend, okay? Now, what's interesting here, some cool insights that I thought were pretty helpful from my understanding is if you look at engineering, Clover grew by 7%. So they're expanding their engineering options. They're expanding their AI and their machine learning options. So it's good to see this expansion. So I think they are doing well there. And these are the new hires. We already talked about some of these folks here. These are the new hires of Clover. Well, this guy's um, gone, which you'll know, notable alumni. He's here. Scott is gone. Um, and another person who's gone. Me and him are connected. I think this was the former VP of Communications. He's no longer that. I'm gonna leave it that there. Hmm. All right. So yeah, so there's some good insights there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about what's going on with the market today because it was a little wobbly today. Um it went green and then it just like resulted red. So why? Right? Everything happens for a reason, right? Sometimes it's stupid and sometimes it's not. Today there was a reason. So the ISM manufacturing index came back today and it came back higher than expected, which is kind of weird because all the other data points that we've been getting is suggesting that inflation is falling down. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide here and let's kind of read this here. So this is a lot. Um, so mm, hmm. You know what? Hold on. Give me a moment. Okay. Because I don't want to read. I really don't want to read this. I'm tired. So let me go ahead and
As highlighted in our previous discussions, the February.
all right, here it is. Sooner or later, AI will have my voice. I don't have to read any of this crap. All right, here it is, guys. Let me show you. Sorry about that. Whoop. All right. Enough horsing around here. Okay, so this is really good. Okay, so the biggest takeaway here, if you guys didn't understand that, is today the ISM manufacturing index came hotter than normal. The Federal Reserve market expectation of a June, like of rate cuts, like 3 rate cuts, dropped from 65% to 50%, meaning that the market participants believe that there's going to be less cuts because of this ISM. So we're going to go ahead and walk you through my thinking, and then we'll go ahead and give you my overall thoughts. Okay, so February core PCA data indicates a downward trend in inflation, suggesting easing pricing pressures. Okay, this is good for the market. Okay, number 2, March University of Michigan expectations support the trend with expectations that inflation is decreasing. Okay, that's great for the market. International core CPI metrics show a decline in inflation aligning with US data trends. Okay, that's really good for the stock market. ISM manufacturing index released. Okay, this one had higher than expected Wall Street. Okay, this is not good, right? But again, you have majority good, one not good. So I believe the market is misinterpreting this. We do believe inflation is falling down. The only things that are lagging indicators, if you obviously analyze the data, and again, I'm a scientist, so I like to look at the data, is housing and insurance, right? And like car insurance, so and shelter. So I don't think those things are going to basically be keeping inflation higher. So we do believe Federal Reserve will be cutting interest rates, and the market is obviously not. The market's getting this wrong, and this is an opportunity. We still believe there's opportunity within the market, and obviously the market was kind of correcting itself as it basically Clover dropped like 6%, and then it went ahead and recovered 3.9% even before the announcement, which Mr. Ryan said. Wait, no, not Ryan. Wait. Mr. Jones said, I can't say your first name. Rafiki, right? Rafiki. The new CMS ruling, I do believe preliminary by me just looking at it. Yes, it does indeed. But I believe will help Clover, and I kind of falls in line with what he was saying. As market incumbents retreat, we will double down. I don't know. Sounds pretty cool, right? So let's see here. So what happened? Are we on? I think so. I think we're on, JJ. I think we're on. Did you listen to what Chamath had to say about Medicare on his last All In pod? Maybe I did. I don't know. I think he did talk about it. I did listen, but I can't recall it. So I remember looking at him and I'm like, oh, okay, that's interesting. But it seems to me that it's just not surfacing in my brain. Remind me what he said, and then I might be able to remember. I do remember, but I just don't. I guess it's not important enough for me to put it in my long-term memory. This just allowed for the market to cool off. I agree. What Chamath say? Exactly, Ryan. What did he say? Hum down 10% after hours because of the new Biden pharmaceutical price caps. Crazy CLOV, luckily not affected by that. Yeah, so you can start to see there is some holy moly. Woo-wee. Again, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not in the loop I wasn't in the loop today because as all this was going on, I was taking care of my baby boy. Where is she? I was taking care of my little baby boy here. Nasty ass freaking bacteria. So I was taking care of this little boy. Oh, you're cute. Sorry, guys. I love him so much. So yeah, so holy freaking A, guys. Damn, dude. Humana, what, 25% plus the after hours, 9%. Damn, 35%. Humana's getting. God damn. Oh my God. Holy shit, guys. This is great. Humana, die. Go down. I want to say some words right now, but don't want to upset YouTube here. You got 5% down. 5% down. No way. That's so gonna recover. 5% down on United Healthcare. The reason why I'm saying 5%, I keep repeating those words because 5% of 450 billion, that's a $22 billion left United Healthcare after hours. Do you really think that was retail investors? You know what? Okay. God damn. See how much money has left Humana? Was that 10%? So 10% multiplied by 42, 4 billion left Humana. Clover, they're like Clover. We look at Clover. Clover's like, yeah, we're hanging in there. We got knocked so hard that you can't knock us out anymore. Because look, oh man, no, honestly, dude, Clover's out here standing like a champ. Clover's like this. Hold on, woman gets beat up after UFC match. You remember that woman that got beat up? She let me see if I can find the thing here. She got up here and she was saying how like honored she was to fight. She felt really good. And she's coming out like a champion and she feels just great. You know what I mean? Like this is Clover Health, right? This is us, like we're like, we didn't drop. We're good. We're leading the way. Again, I'm just laughing at everything right now, guys. This is a long-term hold, and these prices are amazing, right? But I'm just laughing. The retail community has been really. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, haven't seen the latest short interest data on CLOV. Do we know if? Yeah, I mean, I do think I made a video about that, and I do believe that. I do believe that we are experiencing a potential secret, sauce of that. Let's go ahead and type in short. Oh, I don't know. Oh, so let's see if I can find it here on the command. Let's see here. One moment. Let me see if I can find here at a short sale, Clover, 29 days. Let's take a look at CLOV. So let's take a look at that. Let's go here. Yeah, so overall, this is the short breakdown of CLOV. This is the stock terminal we have. If you want to learn more about it, link down below. So February 5th, 56%. And if you graph it, it seems like it's going up. You got 60% here, April 1st, about 54%. We got short ratio here. So pretty significant, right? All right. Oh boy. Okay. He said he likes sucking toes. No, I'm in hum. Oh man, dude. Hum is down. I'm down 25%. I guess that could have been your hedge against Clover potentially, but hey, it's hopefully we could do it now. I'm gonna start talking about Alignment Healthcare because I think Alignment is kind of okay. They're doing good. They seem to have dropped because again they're kind of operating the way the incumbents like to operate, 80-20%. If you guys don't listen to the most oldest recent podcast, mm-hmm. Squeeze or nah, smash or pass. Don't say die. That pains me. Live. Okay. Q1 incoming 49.40. Mark on the all-in pod. Can you say what he said though? Because I'm like I don't want to make this a long live. Clove says you down 25%. Hold my beer. Right? Hold my beer. We'll come tomorrow, right? This is like Humana's down today 10%, and Clover investors were like, yeah, we're kicking butt. We're doing great. Yeah. By the way, for just all intensive purposes, I don't like these types of sports. I look at these sports and I'm like, why do we pay humans to fight? I like basketball, but like, I find these against someone who's in the neurosciences. I find this destructive. It's what hurt Muhammad Ali, and I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship with it because I do like Muhammad Ali, but I just don't like what he did because he would have lived longer if he didn't get those goddamn injuries. Yeah, 25% down on large caps is more painful than small caps. I know, right? Not sure if he was throwing us a bone or not. Yeah, well, let us know what he said. If you can summarize what he said. And he said here. Oh, he was. Oh, there it is. I remember. He was talking about drug makers for diabetes and heart disease being reimbursed more for treatment because it's cheaper than treating long term. Yeah, of course, guys. You're telling me right now, if we don't stop the progression of chronic kidney disease, you're telling me dialysis is cheap? Dialysis is an intimate relationship with the healthcare provider. You got to be on dialysis 4 to 5 hours. I've seen some patients honestly refuse dialysis and says, just let me die, right? And again, that was a very hard pill for me to swallow because, I went into medicine to help, and but at the end of the day, like this is the weird thing about medicine that's kind of like tripped me up. And I'm sure every medical student and doctor kind of went through this, but so I'm not nothing special going through this, but it's like the first rule of being a doctor is do no harm. That's the most purest of all things. Do no harm. I love that. It makes my heart relax and cool down when I hear that word. But sometimes our treatments do harm, and the quality of life may not be great. And we put through patients through so much crap. It's like, ultimately, is it really going to change the outcome? Sometimes it will, sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes is the outcome good for the patient? These are all things that circulate in my head. Kind of tough, but you guys are not in healthcare, so you don't have to deal with it, and you should be happy about it. Healthcare is a blessing. You get to take care of patients, but it's also a curse because you see people on their worst day, and everything, all those worst days you take with you home, whether you like it or not. They become part of you, and if you don't have a good outcome, those haunt you, and you always try to improve and self-reflect, and it's shit. It sucks, because people die. It sucks. We're supposed to stop them from dying, but the ultimate natural course of life is death. So anyhow, that's my little actually, yeah, my shirt is off right now for people that are interested. It is. You know me. So yes. So I believe what Chamath was saying is correct, but I think what he's mentioning specifically is Ozempic. He's mentioning hold on. Un momento. One moment, please. Let me show you what he was talking about, because you guys sometimes there's other stocks I don't talk about. But this is Eli Lilly. This is Ozempic. I think they're ones with the Ozempic. Eli Lilly's doing really well this year. It's up 28%. And these drugs are killing it. Any Ozempic related company that sells Ozempic this year is doing really, really good. JJ, where's your comment? I'm hold on. Here it is. Is it right here? Guys, this is all very positive rhetoric, but I'm really, really stressed out about RS. We are now the last stranglehold on retail holding. If we sell, it's fame over. Oh, that comment? I mean, okay. What do you want me to tell you? Okay, you know what? I know exactly what to do. Hold on. I know what to do. I think I may. I know exactly what to do. Hold on. One moment. Hold on. I got it. I got you. I have a great answer for you. I think it's this one right here.
Woosah.
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 Woosah. Woosah. Woosah.
Woosah. Oh man, honestly, it's I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, it's so okay. Let's break his comment down here. You're stressed out about RS. Okay, well, what can we do to help you? I mean, right? Maybe is there a reverse stock split support group? Maybe we can make one on Facebook or something. Reverse stock split support group. Let's see here if we can find somebody here. Okay, that post. Maybe this guy here, the Twitter account. Yeah, I don't see a support group. Yeah, this is definitely a disparity within our system. We need to figure. We need to fit. We need to allocate some physicians to support this for sure. This is the 1990s meditation. Everyone is ignoring where we are. Okay, so I already talked about this whole thing, and you should go to my video titled "My Thoughts." I posted a couple days ago, and I spent 30 minutes focusing on that. So I recommend going there. Right? I'm not concerned, man. I'm not. Does it look like I'm concerned? No, I'm not concerned. Right? But you know what you can do? You can be concerned for me. Okay? You can be concerned for me, and it's good. You know, that's good. Just to make sure that it's equal, you know, equilibrium. All right. So it's not about where we are. It's about where we are going. It's about the journey. You know, that's so true, man. That is deep. That's the most deepest thing ever. Right. Dad Sacks. Daddy Sacks needs to run that SaaS strategy. Right. All right, guys. Come Daddy Sacks. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this was a helpful video, and make sure we woosah every day. Woosah, right? We gotta just woosah this out. We gotta woosah. Oh, daddy woosah the stock split, right? New to Clove and your channel. Is this a long-term hold? Nah, man. This is a short-term. We're selling today. This is a very short-term. No, I'm just kidding. No, I recommend watching my old by the way, I'm just messing around, you know, I'm just having fun with you guys. I'm just in terms of like long-term hold, I recommend watching my old videos, but overall 10,000 Americans are turning 65 every day. We're about to reach peak you know, Americans turning 65 approximately by 2030. 25% of the population is going to be over 65. They suffer a lot of chronic diseases. What do people do when they're over 65? They're either going to retire, play golf, and also they all need healthcare because they need to have an intimate relationship with their healthcare provider. That's where Medicare Advantage coming. PPO plans are increasing, and they're going to be the predominant PPO plans in the next 10 years. Medicare Advantage plans are going to become an $800 billion business in 10 years. And that is my analysis. Okay. Boomer's about to be booming. Man, why can't I think of something like that? No. All that talk, and all I should have said was boomers about to be booming. Damn, dude. See, this is why I need to I always got yelled at with my notes. My notes were too long in my third year. They're like, Albert, be concise. Then when I be concise, they say, Albert, tell the story and narrative of the patient. So I just started to just go with the wind. Whatever they tell me, I'm like, yes, sir. Okay, so did you see Donald Trump stock? Dude, did I see it? Dude, I felt it, you know? Wait, hold on, wait. Wait, no, that's not it. This is Dow Jones. I'm like, God, I got scared for a sec. I was like, wait a minute, is that Donald Trump stock? I'm like, holy freaking shit. It was called DWAC, but I think it just yeah, Trump Media, DJT. Yeah, doing really well. We've been talking about it within our stock terminal. We believe this is kind of like the tokenization of what Chamath was saying of Chamath. Not a lot of revenue. It's trading at what? You know, this is like an FU to CNN. Like if you want to make CNN go crazy, you know what's funny? You know what's funny? I went on CNN and I saw Donald Trump's stock there, and I was like, what are they talking about Donald Trump stock? And they're like, they're doing a fundamental analysis on Donald Trump stock. I was like, oh, wow. Now you're going to start teaching people about fundamental analysis and teaching retail investors about that crap, right? When it has to deal with Trump stock, right? Yeah, so that's a bunch of, you know, funny stuff there. Daddy Sacks, Allen. You know, I wish my first name was Daddy. Or actually my last name. How nice would it be? Albert Daddy. Call me Dr. Daddy. Damn, that sounds good. All right. So BT, we believe Bitcoin is going to go through the roof. It's freaking insane, guys. Bitcoin, it is becoming a thing of its own. We are actually positive Mara. We've always been positive Mara, and we believe that Mara will have its day. It is already growing like crazy. Mara's doing really well. So Mara's my side chick here. She's doing pretty good here. Mara's our beautiful side chick that we always love. All right, guys. Mara Riot doing really well. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this was a helpful live. Hope we had some good stuff, good talk. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've never seen my dog like woozy like this. He's like kind of like not feeling it. And I don't know. I do not know. One of our stocks that we have, Wingstop stock. Look at it, guys. Just look at that. It's up 45% this year. This is one of our portfolio hedging modeling systems. So what I'm going to do is, because Clover hasn't done so well this year, I'm going to be releasing. So normally our portfolio hedging modeling system is given to our stock terminal members and our lifetime access members. And it's stocks that I spent hours upon hours upon hours upon hours and resources in doing due diligence. And it usually it has a 18-year backtest model to outperform the market. But look at Wingstop. It's killing it. We announced it on the 1st of January, and look at it. It's up 45%. What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that, guys? Right? And it is reaching all-time highs. How did I know? It's called due diligence, right? Again, and these stocks are a little bit more easier to assess their intrinsic value. But who would have known, right? Wings, right? And for all people that are in our lifetime and who haven't seen this, go to portfolio hedging modeling system. You guys will see it. I'll go ahead and make a portfolio hedging modeling system video, so you guys will see kind of what we do. For folks that are interested in our next year's picks, that can join our platform if you guys want. But we're doing really good, guys. We are kicking booty, right? But I mean, what do you expect? You know, you saw me, guys, when Christmas was going. Well, I didn't go traveling on Christmas. I didn't go traveling on New Year's. What was I doing? I was doing due diligence, right? So and you get rewarded by it. I mean, come on, guys, 45% in wings, in freaking chicken wings, right? Don't you love Wall Street? Chicken wings, right? 45% increase, but these freaking chickens, right? All right, guys. Hope this was helpful. Have a blessed chicken day, and I'll see you on the next one.